Good morning everyone. As a part of the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025, today we are going to show a project under the guidance of our teacher, Ma'am Tambelina. And the name of our team is Wakai High School Team Number 2, and the theme of our project is Atmanirbhar Bharat. And before we begin our project, now let us take a moment to introduce ourselves. I myself, Asis Tangzam, and I am sitting in 9th standard at Wakai High School.
I myself, H. Park of 9th standard, currently studying in High School.
I myself, Bharat of class 9, currently studying in high school.
I myself, Khilis Lainu of class 9, currently studying in Wakai High School. I myself, Masamo Shuleva of class 9, currently studying in Wakai High School.
As we all finish introducing ourselves, now let us take a moment to demonstrate our project. In today's world, the demand for energy is constantly rising, and most of the energy that we use comes from the non-renewable resources like coal, oil, and natural gas, which are rapidly depleting and causing environmental pollution. So, this growing crisis calls for an immediate action to adopt simple and renewable natural resources that are easily available around us. And in our project, we are going to show that the energy that is required in one's household can be produced by ourselves, as well as the manure that is required in one's farm can also be produced by ourselves using simple and natural resources. Our project begins with a solar panel, and this solar panel will absorb the sunlight and it will convert the sunlight into electricity. And next we have an animal set, and in this animal set we are rearing some animals, and the waste that comes out from the animals is collected and then stored to produce the biogas. And the process of converting that animal waste into biogas is conducted in this storeroom, and that biogas can be used for various purposes like lighting for the house and cooking, etc. And next we have the windmill. This windmill will convert the wind's motion into electricity. And next we have the turbine. The rainwater that falls on the top of the roof is collected in this water storage tank through the help of a pipe, and from this water storage tank we are going to use some water to run this turbine. And this turbine will run with the help of that water, and it will convert into electricity. And we have backups for energy for different seasons, like this solar panel is for the summer season because it needs sunlight, and this windmill is for the winter season because in winter season the wind is very often. So this windmill is for the winter season, and this turbine, for about this turbine, as it requires water to run and generate energy, this is for the rainy season. And for about this biogas, it can be used during any season because the animal waste is produced throughout the year. And this is for energy. And for about the manure, the animal waste that remains after extracting the biogas, that is a slurry, it can be used as an organic manure for the crops. This is the first point. And next point, as there are people in this house, they will surely produce some organic waste like vegetable peels and fruit peels, etc. And by undergoing the process of vermicomposting to this organic waste, it is going to be converted into vermicomposted manure. And here is the vermicomposted manure. And this vermicomposted manure can also be used as an organic fertilizer for the crops. And in this project, we are showing that the energy that is required in one's household, as well as the organic manure, can be produced by ourselves using simple and natural resources. And some of its potential impacts are: number one, environmental impact. Most of the energy that we use comes from the non-renewable resources, and it helps to pollute our environment. But in the system, we replace that non-renewable resources with renewable resources, so it doesn't cause any harm to our environment. And second point, economic impact. By producing the electricity that is required in a household by ourselves, then we do not need to pay the electricity bills, and if we produce the manure by ourselves, then we do not to pay the cost for the fertilizer from others. So this helps to reduce the economic burden on poor families like rural families. And next, long-term impact. If we adopt this system on a large scale, then we can be the one who is self-sufficient in energy as well as in the manure. And this project helps us to gives a lot of benefit to our environment, and it also helps us to strive for a sustainable future. So thank you.